Hey everyone, check out the Zulay Kitchen 12-pack glass meal prep containers with airtight lids that keep your food fresh and mess-free. Made from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are microwave, freezer, and oven safe, perfect for reheating or storing meals without extra dishes. Say goodbye to plastics because these containers are BPA-free and backed by a lifetime warranty for lasting quality. Their stackable design saves space in your fridge or pantry while keeping your kitchen organized and neat. The set includes different sizes ideal for meal prepping, packing lunches, or storing leftovers. You'll love how durable and versatile these containers are for all your kitchen needs. Experience leak-proof, stylish, and efficient food storage with Zulay Kitchen glass containers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.